Australian cafe business is presented by food for every taste and pocket. Sydney is a multicultural city. That is why hot dogs, shawarma, or wok noodles are sold at every step. But there are other unusual places, say in cafe, where you can choose ingredients for your dish. Just pour raw products in the bowl, wait at the checkout, pay, and after a while, they bring you fresh hot soup. The ingredients for the soup can be very diverse, from spinach to pork brains. Australians are real barbecue fans. The weekend passed in vain if you didn't go to the barbecue. Everything is cooked on the grill here. Meat, vegetables, seafood. There is a brazier in every house, and free barbecue makers are installed in parks and recreation areas. By the way, the most popular meat here isn't that kangaroo, but beef and lamb. Australia is very rich in seafood. All kinds of scallops, mussels, oysters, octopuses, crabs, shark meat, trout, salmon, and white sea bass is even one of the country's symbols. In some places, it is cooked in a very unexpected way. The fish is placed in an airtight bag and boiled in seawater obtained from a depth of 900 meters. The fate of this perch is unusual. Once it became a sea fish from a river one. Centuries ago, the natives so called the big fish, which was caught in fresh water. At the end of the 20th century, someone thought that this attractive name aren't meant to be wasted and used white sea bass instead of lapis. I must say a new name perfect fit for this large, almost boneless fish with very soft meat. Traditionally, there are two ways of cooking barramundi perch in Australia: to bake it in the oven or grill it to enjoy pure taste. Well, perhaps just a drop of lemon or stuffed with vegetables and herbs to make flavor more rich. Grilled sausages are served on a slice of bread, covered with ketchup or mustard and sprinkled with fried vegetables. Tents with such sausage can be found near shopping centers or on sport events. Grilled sausages are often sold to raise money for charities. Kangaroo steak. This dish is a union of the traditions of Aborigines and English colonialists. It can be cooked either in pan or on the grill. First, kangaroo kebab is greased with a mixture of herbs and crushed garlic. We don't know if you have tried raw deer meat, but they say that kangaroo meat is very similar in taste to it. The meat, by the way, is dietary. Practically, it has no fat. It contains a lot of protein and linoleic acid, famous for its antioxidant properties and contributing to weight loss. In fact, kangaroo meat isn't very popular among the local population. About 70% of the extracted meat is exported to the European market. The rest of the meat is either eaten by locals and tourists or goes to feed the pets. Kangaroo tails are good for cooking soup, and meat goes for making dumplings and steaks. And no, Australians don't eat koalas.
www.fooddrinkmagazine.com and the YouTube channel are working day and night to provide you with all about your food and drink curiosities from around the world. We would like your help to further expand our food and beverage portfolio. Wherever you are in the world, send your food and beverage experiences to admin@fooddrinkmagazine.com in a video or article format. Let the introduce your country, region, or business, your food and drink traditions to all over the world. Thank you in advance for your contribution. Please visit our website at www.fooddrinkmagazine.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy our videos.